My name is Ian Pritchard and I am the Business Manager at Kingsmead School in Hensford in Staffordshire. So Kingsmead School is a rapidly improving school. We are officially the most popular mainstream secondary school in Staffordshire. As a result of that growth, we are currently pushing 1,300 students, but we're expecting that to rise even further next year. As we grow, so does the need of the facilities, and that's why we contacted A&S Landscapes to talk about putting a canopy in place. This amazing glass-sided canopy is one of the solutions that we're putting forward to increase our facilities. We were finding that we needed the space, quite simply. The dining room could not fit any more students in, they're cramming in there as it is. So we wanted to increase catering space, but also we wanted to create something that was modern and could stand against the setting of the 1938 school and offset it, and would be exciting for the students, and that's an additional classroom space as well for some of the lessons. At the quotation stage, communication with A&S Landscape was very good. We did have a lot of questions for them. We were very pleasantly surprised with the quote that they gave, and as a result we had to make sure that they were working to the scope of works that we give them, and again we're pleasantly surprised to find that they were. We chose to use A&S Landscapes following the tender process, not only because they were very, very competitive on their price, but also because they had been so good at communicating with us and answering all of our questions during that process. The canopy has changed things for the students and staff at the school. Not only do we have a larger space for catering, the students and the staff are able to use it during lesson times, so several of our lessons have already taken place in here. And it's an exciting and different space for the teachers to move around in and to use, as opposed to the classroom. A&S Landscapes would be contacted again if we were ever looking to put another canopy in. We'd recommend A&S Landscapes to other schools.